Welcome everyone. I am back. Today is the 16th of July 2022. We're going to talk about Aave today and try to give you all a heads up as to why this current bull run in Aave is not over. So welcome everyone. This is HueFin, also known as HueFin News. I create price predictions. I ensure that you and I understand how the market is really working and how we can actually get in position and capitalize off a price move, just like my last video. Yeah, take a look. I actually did a price prediction in Aave on June the 28th. 2022. See, I was already expecting Aave to move up. So I'm not surprised to see the market actually going up in price. This is how you're able to win. So if you guys want to join me, go ahead and hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. Now, you guys can already see it. The market in Aave hit our ultimate TP price, what, 2 days ago? 42%. All right, let's get that out the way, because you all clicked on the video just to see whether or not the bull run in Aave is going to continue. So let's try to break this down real quick and see. Now, the first thing I wanted to bring to your attention is the fact that Aave is now trading back above this $80 level. That is going to be important going forward because we want to see the buyers continue to hold this price. That's good. Next thing I wanted to show you all is that we are still in an upward trend into the market in Aave. That's good. Okay, now let me get rid of this because I want to show you that we are also seeing the price break away from this lower end ascending line, right? We are also seeing the market in Aave hold this trend. So we are definitely seeing the market hitting like oversold territory, overbought territory, excuse me. And the market is going to have to come back down to an area of realization. And we're going to test that at these ascending lines. That's my expectations for us to see price in Aave come down to these ascending lines, see whether or not the buyers are going to continue to hold price, and then the uptrend will continue. It's just that simple. So we are on guard for that. We are going to be positioned to make sure that we can actually see that come to fruition. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at this on a different time frame, because so far market is getting hit with some selling right here. These 2 days right here, the market in Aave is already telling us that we're hitting some sellers around $95. That means that we might see price go down initially. I'm forecasting that to happen because today's price action, along with yesterday's price action, you guys can see that there's some selling coming into the market. Be prepared for the market in Aave to dip. Be prepared for it to go down. We've already seen the market run up since back here on June 18th. Market has already gone up 110% from the low to the high of today. So we have to be prepared for the market to finally give some of those gains back and come back down. So be prepared for that. Look at this on the 2-day chart. Okay, I think you guys can kind of tell where that $95 is plaguing the buyers, and it's coming in here. Okay, look at this right here. So we've already came to this territory before. $96. We've already been here. So it's not a surprise for us to question, are we going to be seeing some selling coming to the market right now? Because we definitely can. Now the next hurdle for the buyers is for them to take out this $96 level to the upside. Okay, now in order for that to happen, we need to see the market hold support right here. Okay, so what I'm drawing to you all, I'm showing you all, is where the sellers and the buyers are positioned. The sellers are positioned right there around 96. The buyers need to be positioned around 80. So as I'm expecting the market in Aave to dip, to go down, I need to see the buyers prop up the price around $80. Because if we see that again, then we understand that they're going to break 96 to the upside. Okay, look at this on the 3-day chart. Now from a 3-day chart perspective, I'm still seeing that the market in Aave is going to break above that $96 price. Now when, you got to give at least 3 days to allow that to happen. But this last completed 3-day price bar in Aave continues to tell us that that bull run is still here. It is still intact. The sellers has not inundated the market just yet. So I'm still expecting the market in Aave to trend up higher. My next concern outside of 96 is going to be around 100 and possibly 110. Okay, just off that 3-day price bar. Look at this last completed one. This is the last 5-day price bar, and the market is extremely strong. The only hurdle is for us to see market break 96. But as of what we've seen recently in the past, the 5-day chart, even as on the 3-day chart, the market here in Aave is still geared to go up. I'm not concerned because the sellers has not indicated that they are now hitting the market just yet. Here's Aave on the weekly. Okay, check it out. I think the next hurdle for the buyers is going to be right there around like 110, 112. That's going to be the next problem that we'll see into the market in Aave. So we want to get prepared for that. We got 1 day and 7 hours left on this current weekly price bar, and we are still showing that the market in Aave is trying to move, and it's trying to move up. Now, let's go ahead and try to get in position. Okay, look at Aave right here on the 2 weeks. So we got 1 more day and 7 hours left, and currently the market here in Aave is still pretty bullish. Yeah, I'm probably one of the only ones on this channel that's going to give you the real. Try to show you what the market is really trying to go. What is it trying to do? And it's trying to go up basically off of all of these time frames that I'm showing you all. Okay, so now let's go ahead and get in position into the market for Aave, because I'm still looking for the price in Aave to move up. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and drop this on the chart for Aave. Now, I told you we want to see the buyers in the market in Aave hold $80. Okay, so I'm going to lower it just a little bit lower, below 80, do around like $77, $75. As long as the market buyers continue to hold that price, we will expect the market to move up. Now, it doesn't mean that the market's going to do this and just shoot straight up. Don't expect that. If it happens, great. But what I'm looking forward to is the market to bounce its head right there around that $96 price, and then eventually try to break up into that 110. Okay, that's where I'm looking at. So be prepared for that type of price action. If we get the market to shoot up and moon up to 110 in 1 day, that's even better, but don't expect it. Okay, so now let me go ahead and put that on the 110 price. I think my first price target outside of $110 is going to be right here to 102, $102. That's my first price target, 102. Okay, that's 11.25% movement higher from where the price currently is. Then my second price target is going to definitely be around 110. Okay, 110. That's where I'm at. We're going to look for the market in Aave to run up to around $110 ultimately, but in between time we got 102 as well for a profit area for us to nibble off of. Okay, now I'm done. It's your turn. Go ahead and tell me what is your expectations into the market. This is how we're able to win, because we will already be prepared for the market to move. So when it does move, we can go ahead and exit out positions and say on to the next one. So let me know what your thoughts. Given your price target, your price prediction into the market in Aave, where do you think the market is headed? I've shown you what I think. I've even told you why I think that. So now I want to know yours. Let me know. Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.